Welcome back to Beautyistic. Are you tired of razors that leave your skin feeling irritated and bumpy? Or do you wish for a smooth shave that also pampers your skin? Well, I've got something that might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Today, we're talking about the Joy Razors for Women, a lavender-scented razor designed to give you that silky smooth shave while caring for your skin. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around to find out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review from us. Let's start with a closer look at what this razor offers. The Joy Razor for Women comes with a non-slip handle and 4 replacement razor blades designed to resist rust and provide a comfortable, close shave every time. One of the standout features is the Lubrastrip that's included with each cartridge. It's designed to provide extra glide during shaving, helping to protect your skin from irritation. And if you're a fan of lavender, this razor brings that soothing scent to your routine, making every shave feel like a mini spa experience. Plus, each blade refill promises up to 22 uses, making it a more sustainable option compared to free cartridge replacements. Now let's talk about my experience with the Joy Razor. Incorporating it into my routine was easy. The handle is designed to be comfortable and easy to grip, even when your hands are a little wet. I was genuinely impressed by how smooth the shave was. The 5 cutting blades glided effortlessly across my skin, cutting through the hair without tugging or pulling. The pivoting head made it easy to get into all the curves and contours, making this ideal for shaving tricky areas like underarms and knees. One of the best parts about using this razor is that I didn't experience the usual irritation I often get from other razors, thanks to the Lubrastrip. My skin felt soft and smooth without any post-shave redness or discomfort. And the lavender scent? It was a lovely touch. It's not overpowering, just a gentle fragrance that added to the feeling of a spa day. But like any product, there are some cons to consider. The razor's design is quite simple, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. But if you're looking for something more luxurious or high-tech, this might not give you that wow factor. Also, while I appreciate the eco-friendly angle, 22 uses per blade might not be enough for those who prefer replacing their cartridges more frequently for hygiene reasons. Is this razor worth the money? Well, if you're looking for a reliable, no-frills razor that gets the job done with minimal irritation, I think it's a good value. It's affordable compared to many other razors on the market, and the fact that it's cruelty-free and dermatologist-approved makes it even more appealing. Now, if you're someone who likes their razors with a bit more innovation or extra features, you might want to explore other options. But if you want something that's straightforward, effective, and eco-friendly, this is a solid pick. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had any direct interactions with customer service, but the brand's reputation for good customer service and commitment to quality makes me confident that they would handle any issues with professionalism. As for alternatives, if the Joy Razor isn't quite right for you, consider checking out brands like Billie or Gillette Venus for a similar performance at different price points. They're all about delivering a smooth, irritation-free shave. To wrap up, the Joy Razor for Women delivers exactly what it promises: a smooth, irritation-free shave with thoughtful features like the Lubrastrip and lavender scent. It's a straightforward, effective razor that gets the job done without frills. If you're looking for a reliable option that's kind to your skin and the planet, this could be a great choice for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.